Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your emergency contacts with Red Cross, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Red Cross website. Locate the emergency contacts section on the home page. Click on the link to access the emergency contact configuration page. You may be prompted to create an account or log in. If you don't have an account, select the option to register. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the section labeled Emergency Contacts. Look for the option to add new contacts. Click on Add New Contact. Enter the full name of your emergency contact. Provide a phone number for your emergency contact. You may also enter an email address for additional reach. Choose the relationship you have with this contact from the drop-down menu. Add any additional information that may be relevant. After entering all the details, review the information for accuracy. Click on Save Contact to store the information. Repeat this process for any additional emergency contacts you wish to add. Once all contacts are added, make sure to review your list. Look for an option to set priorities for your contacts if available. This ensures the most important contacts are prioritized during emergencies. After completing your list, log out of your account for security. Consider writing down your emergency contacts in a physical format as well. Store this list in a safe yet accessible place. Review your emergency contacts regularly to keep information updated. Share your emergency contacts with trusted family members or friends. Familiarize yourself with how to access your contact list in case of an emergency. Finally, remember to check for any updates or new features on the Red Cross platform regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.